pa hale kawaku pono o ka mili pa hale kawaku pono kau hana mauno ia o ka mili pa hale kawaku pono o ka mili pa hale kawaku pono e kala no e a ia o mua i ai naka e leu miki nane kalave lilo
Aloha Kākou. My name is Preston Morales. This known as Premo. We just pulled some Kalo varieties yesterday and we're cooking it literally like 20 feet away. So yeah, we just cooking the Kalo and we're just waiting for it to be completely steamed. So just clean them and then put them on the board and then pound and make pa'iai and then make poi and then go feed people. So that's all we're doing. Easy. Maluhiaākeakua. Jesus provides.
How's it? Hokuokekai right up. Cruising with brother Premo. Just steaming some Kalo. Pretty Raja, pretty good. Hama styly. Mahalo. Raja that. That's it.
Kana ni lua ole o ka leihulu mamo Ua i ke makana oe I kana ni lua ole o ka leihulu mamo I kana ni lua ole o ka leihulu mamo O ka puana kau e ho'olohe mai Naka e leu miki nane ka lawe lilo Naka e leu miki nane kalave lilo